What makes you come alive and do it?
And to me, please, please, please never shrink and make less of yourself.
I've always been able to express things through my movement.
You could use dance to help change the world, but I think that's kind of been like a constant endeavor. Like, not only do I need to dance because like that feels natural. This is my thing. Well, how can I use my thing to keep enacting change? And that answer, that's more difficult for me. But that's kind of also fueled this endeavor to keep going and to keep trying to figure out how we can use an art form to get people to think about stuff.
Walk in your power, right? Don't let anyone tell you that you're not as powerful as you know that you are. No matter how many times they say it, you go, okay, and you move forward, because they're gonna say it.
It doesn't matter if you're big, skinny, tall, white, black. It's like food. It brings people together. It doesn't matter what ethnicity. That's why I love dance in the community, because of what it can bring and what it can consist of. This is hard work. You gotta be full force with it. It's hard work, y'all. However, the joy and the fun of it, it's so amazing. There's nothing else.